Short's an amalgamation of 5 minds and 5 stories produced by Anurag Kashyap in collaboration with Guneet Monga is a roller coaster of emotions. Angst is the overriding emotion in the characteristically Anurag Kashyap out-of-the-box Shorts. There is a passionate, forceful depiction of the underbelly life in the thriving metropolises. The textures are earthy slice of life and racy or sleepy depending on the demand of the narrative. Each character represents an emotion and a background that sets it apart from the others. There are 5 different tracks from 5 different directors. There are grim, haunting faces of the actors and a pace that just keeps you glued to the screen even if you are cringing inwardly and only because you are empathizing with the characters and the situations. This collage of short movies attempts to bring in a new way of storytelling. There is the Shlok Sharma directed Sujata, where you are brought up close and personal with a young girl tormented by her cousin and the extreme steps she takes when there seems to be no other way out. The second shorty by Siddharth Gupta, The Epilogue, is bizarre and chronicles the lowest point in the relationship of a couple where one wants full control and the other just wants out. Anirban Roy's Audacity is all about a teenager's rebellion against her father's tyranny. The abstractly eerie Mehfooz, directed by Rohit Pandey, is the tale of a man whose only reason to live is to see that the dead get a decent cremation. Shorts culminates with Shor, which is directed by Neeraj Ghewan. The frustrated, unemployed husband and the wife who is forced to provide for the family find closure in the midst of all the mental noise that has clouded their thinking. Shorts hovers between the dark and the noir genre of films, replete with raw human emotions such as pain, angst, horror, longing, and the depravity of the human heart. Shorts is not for the faint-hearted, and in fact, a couple of stories might make you recoil with horror or even thankful for your lot in life. Shorts features some old favorites from producer Anurag Kashyap's films, most notably Gangs of Wasseypur, like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Reeza Chadha, Vineet Singh, Huma Qureshi, and Satya Anand. The rest of the cast also features Shweta Tripathi, Aditi Khanna, Preeti Singh, Shankar Devnath, Arjun Srivastav, Ratnadeep Bhattacharjee and Amardeep Jha. Needless to say, the entire cast and crew are as brilliant as expected. The 3.5-star Shorts forms a cohesive whole despite the myriad montages of characters that seem easily identifiable if you care to look in your everyday life. With cameraman Shadab Zaidi, this is Swaran Chaudhary for Films of India. Stay tuned for everything Bollywood.